Do you spend most of your days putting out fires at work? As a manufacturing or quality engineer, it can be frustrating to deal with problems that could have been prevented. What if you could learn how to be more proactive and prevent these issues from happening in the first place? In this video, you will discover the secrets to proactive leadership and how to apply it to your work. Say goodbye to complicated problem solvings and hello to more efficient work environment. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and tools to prevent problems before they even occur and be recognized as a proactive leader in your organization. Just imagine you're on Friday mood, thinking of going back early and then spend your weekends with your family. And suddenly, Mr. Customer call your boss and your boss stated that you should stay back as customer is having issues. And the best part is most of the issue always happen almost end of the week or Friday afternoon. This sounds familiar to you, right? Then you have to stay back the whole weekend or work the whole week or even months just to handle the problem. And under such circumstances, it could be only firefighting. And the cycle will repeat itself because firefighting does not resolve the problem from its root cause. And it could be too many problems to work on, and therefore all the problems are actually addressed on the surface. After you have sort of handled the problem, and you will have peace for quite some time, but this cycle is going to repeat itself. Saying no to such work pattern, which I show you in the previous slide, really requires a lot of leadership, planning, courage, and also communication. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. Sometimes we are really overwhelmed with so many issues that we are lost and unable to lead ourselves out of such situations. Therefore, we continue to firefight for the rest of our working life and really hate our work. The situation is aggravated. If you are working for a management that does not have clear understanding on what is going on with no objective on how to minimize or prevent the problems. One of the tricks I have used is that I treat all problem as my enemy and lead ourselves and our team to go to the war to conquer the enemy. In Sun Tzu Art of War, it stated that if you know yourself well, know your enemy even better. 100 battles fought, 100 battles win. It starts also from you gathering the accurate data of understanding the problem or define the problem very well. I have another video on defining problem which I have posted below and also at the end of this video. The firefighting or looking at the problems from the surface happen sometimes it's not because of engineers or managers do not know how to define problem, but rather that they are lack of courage, or it could be a mix of both. You will need to have courage even though sometimes the end result is not what the organization or the functional team wants. This is especially true when you are in an organization where the design comes from somewhere, and the management hope to only finger point to manufacturing or suppliers. Once the problem is well defined, we should have some ideas if the problem is within our capability to solve, or there's no immediate solution to address the problem from the root cause.
Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. Are you ready to take your manufacturing supplier quality engineering career to the next level? Look no further. I am excited to introduce to you my comprehensive and affordable courses available on Udemy. Whether you are preparing for a job interview or looking to advance your skills, my courses on supplier quality engineering, audits, quality tools on NSA, SPC, FMEA, Lean Six Sigma, problem solving, specialized process control audit in metal stamping, plastic injection molding, printed circuit board assembly, spray painting, and more have got you covered. Each course comes with complete downloadable guides, templates, or checklists that you can immediately apply to your job. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your career. With on-demand video, you can access the course from anywhere on your mobile device, giving you the flexibility to learn on the go. And with a Udemy certificate of completion and lifetime access to course materials, you will equipped with valuable resources, templates, guides, checklists to take your career to the next level. Follow the link below to check my courses to start your journey to success today.
Learn how to acknowledge the problem that cannot be prevented with the current resources is essential for us to manage problem. Or the problems will get bigger if everyone else is thinking of only solving it instead of managing it. Once you know the type of problem, then planning is needed to establish a solution to prevent or manage the problem. A problem that is well defined will make planning for action more straightforward, and this will require knowledge gained from learning and also experience or expertise. They will help us to reach for a eureka or aha moment in planning for a solution. So, we must have the foresight even to plan for a solutions that could go beyond the four walls of manufacturing entity, as the solution could also comes from somewhere along the supply chain. Minimizing or preventing problem will not happen by just planning. We need to put the problem into action planned in the right perspective so that we can communicate clearly to the management or the team member. Communication to the management is actually very important, and the most important thing is that to influence the management to get the support and also invest in the resources to make the plan into a reality. We must eliminate the victim's mentality and be proactive in leading ourselves towards a better work life as a first step to be in control. If you are in a leadership position, ensure that you are also part of the solution. It means that you need to define your enemy, which is the problem, very well and understand what is yours and your team's capability to resolve or manage the problem. Finally, I hope that the 4 steps, which is leadership to understand the problem, deep dive for the root cause, planning to manage or solve the problem, and communication to get support from team members and also management will guide you towards a more proactive work life.
I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.